Okay, so hello guys and welcome back to another video. In this video I'm gonna unbox the iPhone 16 Pro in white. I've got two because one is for my mom, this is in desert titanium as you can see, and one for me which is in white. So let's put this to the side, and here's my white iPhone 16 Pro. I've ordered white because I just got bored of black. No racism intended, but you know, it's just boring to me. And yeah, I just chose white this year and not natural titanium because that looks like an iPhone 15. And yes, this white does look like an iPhone 15, 14, 13, but in my opinion it just pops more. I've got this in 256 gigabytes, as you can see in a minute here. And yeah, so let's stop the yapping and let's get to unboxing. So I'm going to start here. 1 second. Okay, and the other side. Okay, so let's set these pull tabs to the side and let's get to the actual opening of the phone. There it is. Oh wow, it looks beautiful. Let's set this box to the side. There we go. Let's just pull out the phone itself. You can see it's beautiful. Titanium, white. Actually, let me take a picture 1 second. Okay, so I have snapped my pictures. I'll set my phone to the side like this, opened. So let's take a closer look at the phone, or the box first. So I'm gonna pull the phone out like this, and we get a braided USB-C cable along with a SIM tool ejector and some manuals. I'm not gonna open the cable, I'm just gonna leave it as is, and I won't open the manuals either. I'll just leave them there as is. And let's set this to never turn off, so this won't annoy me the whole time. To never. All right, so let's set this back to the box and let's get the phone like this and just put back the box. Put it back in the box, exactly. So let's set this to the side and get the phone itself. So as you can see, it's gorgeous in white. Yeah, I chose the correct one. There's the capture button, that looks so sick as well. You can see the titanium. I'm gonna take a picture of this as well, like so. And yeah, so let's start by peeling off the sticker on the phone. Okay, never mind, let me wash my hands first. I don't want this to be dirty. Okay, so my hands are completely washed and clean now. And let's take off the sticker. Wow, that's satisfying. And look at, this is so beautiful. I gotta take another picture, I'm sorry. This just looks insane. Yeah, there we go. So I'm gonna put the sticker back into the box. Yeah, so I'm gonna pop on a case because I don't want this to scratch. Oh, and here's my screen protector I have been searching. There it is. So yep, I'm gonna take out the screen protector. As you can see, I'm not gonna put it on yet. I'm gonna wait and see if I decide to put a screen protector on it, but yeah, that's this. I'm gonna unbox the case wrapping real quick. There we go. It's not an Apple original one, but I'm gonna order one soon when I have the money for it because I'm, yeah, broke as you can see. So let's put the phone into its casing first, and wow, that's gorgeous. Look at that. USB-C, white titanium, man. Yeah, that's gorgeous. Oh my god, bro. Let me take another picture. So let's turn the phone itself on. Apple logo. That was fast, goddamn. Okay, so that's gorgeous. Take another picture. So I'll unlock my phone and unlock the other phone. English. I'll check a settings option in my iPhone 14 Pro Max. And quick start. So continue. Okay, let's just do this real quick. Yes, set it up for me, please. And I'll enter my passcode. And I'm actually upgrading because of many reasons, but the two main reasons of why I'm upgrading is number one, the battery health on this phone is very bad. So it's at 80% right now, and I'm charging it like 4 or 5 times a day because it's so bad. And two, my carrier offered me an offer basically that I'm gonna pay like 20 or 25 euros or dollars a month to get the latest iPhone every year at no cost, and like pay this monthly. So I'm gonna pay this for 12 months or 11, I don't know. And yeah, I'm gonna switch to the 17 Pro next year. So transfer phone number. And okay, so I cannot transfer my phone number. That's all right, I'm gonna do that later. So set up later in settings, data and privacy, continue. My god, this looks beautiful. Okay, Face ID. So I'm gonna set this up. One moment. Okay, so it's set up. So continue. And let's see if I can download the backup from iCloud. Whilst that's doing it, we can take a look at the actual phone itself. So we have the capture button on the side. I'm gonna try this out later. You have the power button, obviously, the titanium sides, and the white back glass. And for me, something new is the action button. So I didn't have this on my 14 Pro Max. So yeah, this is gonna be new to me, and USB-C as well. I've been actually excited for USB-C. So, oh wait, the phone has powered itself off, and we're gonna set this back into its stand. And look at the thin bezels. Oh my god, that's so noticeable. We can take a look like this because I don't want to take off the screen protector or the case, my bad. You can see, wow, that's thin. Yeah, that's gonna look so good. So it's signing in. Yeah, I've said that like 2 or 3 times already. Let's just wait for this to complete. Okay, so I have set up my 16 Pro finally. I had to reboot it because it was on the wrong Wi-Fi network. So as you can see, make this your new iPhone, apps and data, iCloud backup, settings, wallet and connections. So the backup was around 6 a.m., which is great. I didn't change anything on my iPhone since, so I'm gonna put this onto the charger. And yeah, basically hit continue, and let's set my other phone to the side. And okay, let's tap continue. Don't share with developers, please. And camera control, hell yeah. So let's continue. It doesn't work on the setup screen, I'm guessing. I'm not guessing, this is actually like this. So I'm gonna enroll in the Apple Beta software program so that I can restore my backup. Emergency SOS, yes. And yeah, obviously I have to update my phone, so I'm gonna tap on update now. Enter my passcode there. There we go, agree. And update requested. So I'm gonna come back once this has finished, and I'm gonna set it up, yeah, further. Okay, so I'm back, And as you can see, here are the two phones. This is updated, and I had to restart the process because this was glitching. And yeah, so I restarted the process, and now we are at the point where I left off, basically. So yeah, I'm gonna leave these. So the phone has set up itself, apparently, which I do not want. So I'm going to reset this, which I regret. Not regret, but yeah, again, I'll just reset this. And yeah, I'll see if I can set it up again. So this is more painful than I thought. So yeah, I'll be back once this has finished erasing. Okay, so I've got both phones here. Again, reset. So I'll just speed up and set this iPhone up again for the second time. Okay, so as you can see, the restoring is okay, not done, but we are at setup right now. And Apple Intelligence, I'm gonna take a picture with my other iPhone of it. Yes. Okay, so continue. Camera control, I know where that is. I've seen that, you know, in the other setup. It does not work on setup, it just shows where it is and what it does. Siri, awesome.
The colors of the
Okay,
of the sky fade with the setting sun as the stars your night.
Okay, so continue. I'm gonna enter my passwords. Okay, so I'm gonna send a code to my number instead. I gotta get my Apple Watch. Okay, enter the passcode for this once again. I have too many accounts on my iPhone. It's crazy. Other options, don't upgrade. This is my secondary US account. And okay, it's transferring. So I'm gonna leave these and do their job, and I'll be back once they have done their job. Yeah. Okay, so after like a month, as you can see, it's 21st of December, I'm finished with the iPhone, and as you can see, I've got a carbon fiber case. This was €4 from Temu, so I just went with it, and yeah, I'm gonna see if I'm gonna use it. I do like it, so I'll probably keep on using it for a while. But yeah, this is the end product, the iPhone 16 Pro. This is running iOS 18.2 as of now, as you can see there, and it's the same 256GB white model. So yeah, this is Apple Intelligence, as you can see here, and the dynamic island. I'll show you in a second. There, you can see. And yeah, that's pretty much it for this video, guys. I hope you enjoyed it, and yeah, if you enjoyed it, subscribe. It would really help me out, and like this video. So yeah, that's it, guys. Thank you so much, and yeah, bye.